Ew, this looks even worse. Okay, well, here is my beautiful, somewhat home. That's a mess and I'm not going to show you. Okay, but so the next couple of blog postings that we're going to do is going to be a little bit different because you guys know how we like to demonstrate things. So if you actually hold that, my lovely assistant, Amy, the next product that I'm going to do, and I'm going to try to demonstrate for you so that you guys can see it, is called the Mega Mesh. This is that magnetic, just hold still, don't move. This is that magnetic screen door that everybody sees. The one where it automatically clicks is supposed to be super easy to install, and it clicks to keep bugs and other creatures from coming in and out of your house. But it should be easy enough for the dog to come in and out. So I have dogs and I have kids. So we're going to check this out and see how it works. So if you follow me, right there, this is my back door. This is my dog. This is Thor. Come on, Thor. Out. Out. Go play. The baby should be up in any minute. Go play. Go. Go on. So we're going to see how easy to install this is. Back up. No. We're going to pull it out. Back up. Hi. Okay, hold that. Okay, so as you open it up, the actual picture that it says has the actual directions on the back on how it's supposed to be done. Back up. So step 1, how to install your Mega Mesh screen door, step-by-step, easy installation guide. Wipe the wood frame down with a damp cloth to remove any dust or residue. Measure center of the door frame, mark it with a pencil. Ouch! Lay the screen door flat out on the floor. Apply the Velcro strips supplied. 1 long strip along the top, 4 short pieces along the side. Peel off the backing of the Velcro, hold in the center of the screen door and fix it to the door to mark it with, make sure, get out. If you want it more permanent, then you can actually stick it in. Okay, it looks like, stop, guys, go. This is gonna be super easy. So I'm gonna say, I pretty much read the directions. It looks like it's really easy. So this is our door frame right here that we're gonna put it into. We're gonna come back in here. It says to lay it out on the floor. This is a beautiful angle from my head. This looks to be the top. It keeps separating. There it goes. Okay. Okay. Looks like we've got it pretty well spread out here.
It looks pretty cool.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, that's cool. Is that like, that Velcro stuff?
Uh-huh. I, of course, put this upside down, it looks like. outside. Trying to not get my butt in the way.
As I'm watching, I'm trying to get just the angle that you're working at so that they can see how you're putting it on.
Okay. So now I've gone ahead and all you have to do is put the Velcro pieces to match up on the actual mesh screen, and I'm not going to take it off until I get up here to the doorway. Back up. Awesome. You want to come around on this side? There you go. Back up, please. We're filming a video. Back up. Athena. Guys. Stop. No. Sit. 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 Go puppy. Stay. Stay.
Can you see yourself on this?
Stay.
Yeah.
Okay. I just didn't know if it was dark because
Door. Sit.
Come here, Athena.
Sit forward.
Come here.
Sit.
Sit down. Sit. Don't jump on me. Come on. Mhm. Athena.
Forward. Sit.
Athena, come here.
It's gonna be best if this goes on the outside.
Athena. Come here, pup. Can you sit?
Forward.
Sit.
Sit.
Good girl.
Sit forward.
Good. Sit.
Sit. Forward. Sit. Sit forward. Sit.
Door, come here.
Wow. That's really new.
Yes.
Athena. Come here.
Dog and tie.
The dogs are like, oh. Athena,
So far,
come.
it's easy for the dogs to get in and out. Guys.
Wow, that was really pretty.
Ha, that is really awesome. It just like sticks right up there.
Yep. It just takes a minute to get it going.
Athena, come. Sit.
There's a little more.
You guys, you want to help if you call the dogs over there so they stop
If you guys wanna
trying
help me help
to.
with the dogs, please.
Yeah. Go that way and call the dogs.
But they won't listen to us. Athena? Athena?
No.
Door.
Athena!
Athena.
Athena!
Oh, damn it.
Athena! See, she's not coming.
It's okay. Come on, guys. Puppies.
Come here.
There's my good dogs. Come on, guys.
Guys, look out.
Look, they're going to demonstrate the door. Stay outside, please.
Athena, come.
Go.
Come here.
Guys, wait till I'm all done. Back up.
Sit.
Can I open
Back
it?
up. Go play, please. Go play until I'm done.
Door, come here. He's like, how do I get
Come
out?
on, buddy.
He sees it and he's like, how do I get out of here?
There.
I hear the baby. He's crying.
I know, he's awake, huh?
Yes?
Guys,
You guys ready for some lunch?
Yes!
All right.
Peanut butter and jelly for me.
Athena, sit.
Peanut
Sit.
butter and jelly for
Sit.
me. I can
Come on,
peanut
Thor.
butter and honey.
Thor, come on.
Can I have honey?
Shh. Wait till we're done. Come on, Thor. Come test out the door. Come on, buddy. Come on. Come on.
Door, come on.
Good boy.
Hi.
Cool.
So it doesn't quite click back together easily, but
It's stuck to the door. Hee.
Stop. Go play like I asked you to, please. Thank you. So it doesn't look like, however, the dogs seem, go ahead and let her go. Come on, Athena. Come on. Come on, Thor. Go back out. Go. Outside. Well, Athena's got it down. Thor's a little scared, but it doesn't quite go back together as often, as much as... It doesn't quite go back together as much as the commercial says. But overall, the product is not bad. But looks like you kind of manually have to do it. Unless I have it out too much, you kind of manually have to put it back together. But other than that, it's extremely easy to install, just like they said. And as you can see, right now we're in peak mosquito season, so this will definitely allow us to open up the doors to get some fresh air in here and keep the mosquitoes out. For the price, it's really not bad. I wish the magnets were just a little bit stronger, but other than that, I think it's actually a pretty good product. So thank you very much, and we'll talk to you soon.